Welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. Hey, if you ain't figured it out yet, we're in Florida. And one of the things about Florida is in summertime, you want to take your top off. However, another thing about Florida is that it rains almost every day. So solution is having this top. It's a emergency top that we have. It's made by Best Stop. Goes on and off pretty quick. But we're gonna go ahead and put a new top on today, a frameless top by Rampage. Here's the box. Tell you a couple things about this. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what's inside. So what we got? We got upper door surrounds, sideways door surrounds. These are door surrounds. They come with this kit. They're what hold your top on. We got some mounting brackets, a couple bolts, some bows to go across the top so that it doesn't fill up with water. They're foam, look like fiberglass tent poles. One thing I noticed right away on the top, it's got pockets. Look at that, pockets on the top. So this is how you do a top. Brand new, you take it out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set these pieces out into the sun so that they can heat up. It makes it a lot easier to put on a hot top than it does a cold top. So while I'm taking off the other top, we'll let these rest. And this is the top itself. We'll lay that thing out, let it sit in the sun. Says got all the parts. Step 1, remove existing soft top. Let's go do that. Once you loosen that up, the top just slides right out. Jeep life. I have the door surrounds in the front that came with the half doors. What we need is a piece that goes through here and down here to seal up the door. So I have also my original soft top rail up here. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is bring in your frame rail. It's gonna come right down here and fit inside the same place that your old frame used to go. Gonna run it forward. It's gonna set right up in there. And then this is gonna come over here and lock it in. Now that's locked in. Now, that's my door surrounds, if you see that down there. See the rail back here? That's going in the rail, going forward, setting itself down in there, just like that, fitting itself right on the bar, and then locked. Step 3, use the included hardware to attach the clamp to the folding door surrounds. Look for the hole on the top section near the pivot. The clamp installs the opposite side from the snaps. The knob installs from the top. Okay. So the knob installs from the top. That's going to go right in here. Have what looks like a little 8 or 10 millimeter right in there. That's going to be attached. This is what they said goes on the top. Now that I know it's lined up, I can go ahead and snug it down. So here we have the top. I know where the front goes. Once you get it started, you kind of got to work your way down the rail. The top windshield rail are curved, And so you may have a little bit of an issue getting that tucked in. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to just put this right here for right now, just to keep it tight. These straps in the back, they do go on the outside. And right now I'm kind of trying to beat a little bit of rain. Your center strap goes down because it's got to attach over here. That's what's going to keep everything taut. Again, I'm not tightening everything up yet. Just pulling it in there a little bit. I like these pockets. That's pretty good. Yeah. Snaps. The snaps go on. The next snap goes on. The next snap. I would think that these bows,
like a cat,
right here, go into that pocket, maybe.
Yeah, it looks like there's another pocket there.
There's another pocket right here. So you got some pockets to put the bows in. Put your windows on and do the zippers. Put your other side window on. Don't step in fire ants. Probably gonna fit just like that. Sides are gonna fit just like that. Nothing's tight yet. Remember that. Okay. The instructions are: bring this top strap from the corner. That's the main top piece. Around the outside of the roll bar. Bring it under the roll bar strap. Then I'm gonna go back around the roll bar strap, pull it tight, back around the roll bar strap, and come back out the same side that I went in, up through the buckle and down through the teeth. Then pull that tight. Now I should have a nice tight fit. I can always come in here when the top is on and tighten that up. Same with the other side. Pull it in, and that allows me to tighten up the top. I'm gonna put these 3 buckles, hold your back windshield on. Unlike the JK top that has a tongue and groove fitting, these, I'm just gonna pull that back, tauten it up, and the Velcro holds that. Now, I'm gonna bring back my zippers. Make sure all my zippers are where they're supposed to be. Catch this side. Now, if you don't let these parts sit out in the sun, you're gonna have a pretty hard time getting your stuff to line up. So make sure you leave it sitting out for a little bit. That's on. And that's gonna come Velcro down there. That's pulled that tight. That's got to come down here like this. Velcro. That's going to zip down there. And then that's going to leave us with our top bar, which we still have to get. I'll be right back. At this point, I buttoned down as much as I could. I cannot find the bottom rail that fits on here from the original soft top. I have looked all through the storage shed. I have not changed the door skin on this side. Top is on. There's a few things I want to show you really quick, and let's turn around and take a look at that. All right, door skins. This top does come with new door skins. So as you can see where I put the whole new door skin on the driver's side, I have not put it on the passenger side. Snaps across the top. This fits into a tongue and groove right here. This tucks down the bottom. It'll tuck right into where your original soft top tub mounts go. Straps are on the outside. They snug down. These straps will keep everything tight. I've not driven it down the highway yet. It's got tinted windows. This is the strap on this side. Keeps everything tight. I do like the tightness back to the back. It rained pretty hard and I didn't have any water on the inside. I have not changed this skin yet. 1995 YJ, Rampage soft top, frameless. Install video. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time as we head out to someplace like maybe Citrus. But first we got a Jeep Club meeting this Saturday. See you then. Bye.